plate, Bagan Lacquerware. So lacquerware, normally we need the bamboo. So this is bamboo, we will make lacquerware. So the bamboo master is sliced into small pieces like this. So this one, he used very sharp knife and he got many layers like this. So these layers, normally he don't use the knife for cutting. So he used the leg and the hand like this. Let me show you.
Wow. So this is from the skin or the outer layer of the bamboo.
Yeah.
Wow.
So like this. And then one more.
Wow. So spinning the bamboo away.
I'm not bamboo master.
Okay, yeah.
It is cut.
You have to practice.
Anyhow.
we get the idea.
Okay. So just I demonstrate how to make. So the bamboo master, he take it very thin bamboo like that. So this very thin one, he make the hook. Yeah, like this. The hook, just he cut. So put it in. He got a ray, and then in the rain, he put this very thin bamboo, and then he coil like that. So after coiling, like this. Yeah. So when he coil, he don't use any glues or nail, only bamboos are coiling. So that's why.
He will coil it like a
out.
slinky.
So weave it out like that. So okay. So after weaving, so we will get the form of lacquer. So this is, as I told you, without using the glues or the nail.
Wow.
That's why if we take off, the bamboo will come out. That's why not to come out bamboo easily, we need to cover with lacquer. So, but the first step, bamboo weaving for the bamboo master is finished here. When he get the pot or the tray and flower vase. Excuse me. This one we have to fix with the lacquer set like this, and we get the pot. Maybe we use the flower vase and like this.
You come
So
with water inside?
yes, after the lacquer set coating. So now it is not ready. That's why after the weaving, the first steps is finished. So we will send this to the second step for lacquer set coating. So lacquer set coating, the master, he have the lacquer. Lacquer is from the tree, lacquer tree. As I told you, it is about 4,000 feet height from the sea level. And then the temperature is always about 10 degrees Celsius. So this tree will be grown from the eastern part, the northern and northeast of Myanmar. And then we will cut the bark of the tree. After cutting, the saps are dripping. So we collect it with bamboo tube. So now I got it. Lacquer sap here. Lacquer sap is like the rubber tree. When we cut the bark, we will get the sap.
Have
it
they
is-
added anything to keep it liquid?
No,
Because
just
it won't
the
solidify?
original is like a thick liquid. Like
So why will it get solid when they paint
Okay.
it, but not now here?
that. Okay, let me carry on. So okay, the man, he take it by hand, and then he will cover on the bamboo. Yeah, so lacquer saps already cover, let's say. So the wet lacquer is covering. So if we want to dry, so if you put the wet lacquer in the open air or in the sunshine, it will never ever dry. Never dry. Even 10 years, 20 years, we will never dry. We need humidity to be dry. That's why after lacquer saps coating, we will put this into the underground room. Underground room, we call it like drying cellars. So it have higher humidity. That's why we have to put this into the underground room at least 1 week. 1 week. So after 1 week, when we open the dry cellar, it is one layer is dry. So okay, after 1 week, this is dry. We use the special L-shaped knife, and we are cutting. This is for making smooth. So this is before and this is after. So this is look very smooth.
Wow.
Yeah. This is before, right? And after. It's look
Yes,
very
very
smooth. Here. Yeah. So after it is totally smooth. This is ready to cover second layers of lacquer. So lacquer assess master, he take it by hand. He will cover again, and then go back to the drying cellars again. After 1 week, we got second layers. So second layers, this time we use the sandpaper for making smooth like that. So if it is totally smooth, okay, I'll show you later. So if it is totally smooth, we will cover thank you. So this is getting smooth. Yeah. So the third layer, fourth layer, fifth layer, about 10 layers. We use the thick wood ash. Thick wood ash. We will grind to get the ash. This ash and lacquer steps are missing. So we put for the 10 layer. 10 layer is harder and thicker. Right? Thicker. So, and then for 11 layer, we will put the cotton. Cotton is, if you use the knife, or sorry, not knife, if you use a spoon and forks, we etch, so not to be damaged easily, or if you drop accidentally, not to be cracked. That's why we put the cotton for 11 layers. And then we continue 20 layers. 20 layer is very shiny, like the mirrors, very shiny. That's why, so lacquer sets master, second step is finished when he get the 20 layer. So this 20 layer is ready for the etching, for design. That's why we will send this to the designer. Number 3, third session is designing. So designer, he have sharp iron pin. So like the little knife. So he will hold right hand, the left hand is pressing like this. So he will etch, I think, more than 1,000 design. Normally the boss decided this is what she like to have, Buddha life story, or floral design, or animal figures, or royal family design. So if the boss said, he, designer, can design everything. So I think his brain is like computer. Because Buddha life story have 550 Buddha story. Anyone he can draw by heart. So that's amazing. Yeah. So okay, this is floral design. So the third steps, designing is finished here. Yeah, very detailed designing. Beautiful. Wow. After the design, number 4 is for coloring. So designer, he will send to the ladies. Mostly ladies are for designing. So ladies, they also have the same sharp iron pen, and the colors they use yellow ochre or red ochres. They're like the stone. We can collect in Bagan. We will grind to get the red powders, and then the yellow ochre, yellow stone. So we will grind to get the yellow powders. So, and then the same green, yeah, we have from the stone, natural. So these colors we will use for the designing. Okay, before